Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure your device has at least 50% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection, because interruptions break installs. Once done, back up your data to cloud or local storage so you can restore if needed. Then check the operating system version and note the Palm Store app version. This tells you which installer or patch fits. Don't skip these steps. Knowing versions reduces compatibility errors and speeds up the repair process. You now take action to remove corrupted components, disable VPN or proxies, and stop syncing apps to avoid conflicts. Next, clear the Palm Store cache and app data, then uninstall the app safely so no leftover files interfere. After that, download the official compatible Palm Store package for your OS and verify the checksum to ensure integrity. Once verified, install the package with admin or elevated privileges. This replaces damaged files and restores the store's core functionality. You finish by launching the Palm Store, signing in, and granting required permissions so downloads can proceed. Once the store works, re-enable VPN or proxy and restart any sync services you paused. Test by downloading a small free app to confirm functionality. If something fails, check system logs for errors, ensure at least 10% free storage, and reapply any OS patches that match your device version. A key troubleshooting tip: if installs still fail, perform a clean OS cache wipe before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.